Look at the lion roaring with might. He is yellow, shining so bright. The king of the jungle, proud in view, yellow like the sun breaking through. Colors and animals join the play, learning together every day. Bright and bold, they call us near, sing their colors loud and clear. See the frog, oh green and spry, jumping high beneath the sky, hopping round from leaf to pond, green as forest stretching long. Colors and animals, a wonderful pair, teaching us lessons everywhere. Roaring, jumping, swimming free, nature's palette for us to see. Spot the whale,